Namaste Bharatbashio. I am Tanmay Mundul with my YouTube channel Exploring India to explore our beloved nation India and her rich culture and heritage and the various achievements achieved by our fellow countrymen in various fields all around the world. Here I am presenting my first video on YouTube on this matter, and my first video is to highlight the upcoming Tokyo Olympics and all about our Indian athletes and their medal hopes at a glance. So let's check out this video on Tokyo Olympics. So let's go. Boxing legend Mary Kom and Indian men's hockey captain Manpreet Singh will be the flag bearers of Tokyo Olympics starting from 23rd July. Sports Authority of India designed a catchy uniform for all the athletes. So let's have a glance on it. Friends, now let us have a look on all our athletes for Tokyo Olympic in various categories. Let's start from archery. Tarundeep Roy, Atanu Das, and Probin Jadhav will compete in men's recap category, while Deepika Kumari will compete in women's recap category, while the men's trio will compete as a team in Tokyo 2020. In athletics, KT Irfan, Shandip Kumar, and Rahul Rohilla will compete in men's 20 km race walking, while Bhavna Jat and Priyanka Goswami will compete in women's 20 km race walking. Avinash Salve will compete in men's 3000 meter steeplechase. Murali Srishankar will compete in men's long jump. Indian Navy officer MP Jabir will compete in men's 400 meter hurdles. Neeraj Chopra, the javelin sensation of the world, and Shivpal Singh will compete in men's javelin throw, while Onnu Rani will participate in women's javelin throw event. In shot put event, India's sole hope is Tejinder Pal Singh Tour. In 100 and 200 meter, all our eyes will remain on the girls from Odisha, Duti Chand. Kamalpreet Kaur and Shima Punia will be our hopes in women's discus throw event. The quartet of Mohammad Anas, Jishna Matthew, VK Vismaya, and Tom Nirmal will participate in 4 into 400 meters mixed relay category in Tokyo Olympic. In 4 into 400 meter men's relay team, Mohammad Anas, Tom Nirmal, Rajiv Arokia, and Amod Jacob will participate for India. In badminton, Rio Olympic silver medalist PV Sindhu will compete in women's singles category, while B Sai Pranit will compete in men's singles category, and S Rankareddy and Chirag Shetty will compete as a main team in badminton. In men's boxing, Amit Pangal will compete in 52 kg category, Manish Kaushik in 63 kg category, Vikas Krishnan in 69 kg category, Satish Kumar in 91 kg category, and Ashish Kumar in 75 kg category. In women's boxing, Indian boxing queen Mary Kom will compete in 51 kg category, Simranjit Kaur in 60 kg category, Lavlin Borgohe from Assam in 69 kg category, and Pooja Rani in 75 kg category. Fawad Mirza will be the first Indian equestrian to participate in the Olympic Games in 20 years. In fencing, 27-year-old Bhavani Devi from Chennai will be the first ever fencer to participate in Olympic Games. India's participation in golf at Tokyo 2020 will feature Anirban Lahiri and Udayan Mane in men's and Aditi Ashok in women's events. In gymnastics, the wonder girl from West Bengal, Pranati Naik, will participate in artistic gymnast category. In field hockey, both the Indian national men's team and women's team will participate in Tokyo Olympics. Shushila Devi Likmabam will be India's only participant in judo at Tokyo Olympics. Indian rowers Arjun Jat and Arvind Singh qualified in men's doubles lightweight sculls event in rowing. Netra Kumaran will be the first Indian woman sailor to qualify for the Olympics. She will compete in lesser radial category. In men's sailing, Vishnu Sravanan will compete in laser standard category, and KC Ganapathy and Barun Thakkar will compete in 49-year category. In shooting, 15 Indian shooters have qualified for the Olympics. Anjum Modgil, Apurvi Chandila, and Ella Benil Baladivan will participate in 10-meter air rifle women's category, while Divyang Singh Panwar and Deepak Kumar will participate in men's category. In 10-meter air pistol, Abhishek Verma and Saurabh Chaudhary will participate in men's category, while Manu Bhakir and Ashashini Singh Deswal will participate in women's category. In 50-meter rifle 3 position, Tejaswini Samant will participate in women's category, while Aishwarya Pratap Singh and Sanjeev Rajput will compete in men's category. Rahi Sharnovat will participate in 25-meter women's pistol. Angad Bir Singh Bajwa and Miraj Ahmed Khan will participate in men's skeet event. In swimming, Sajjan Prakash will participate in 200-meter butterfly and Srihari Nataraj in 100-meter backstroke. Both of them qualified by achieving the direct A cut. The glorious girl of Gujarat, Mana Patel, becomes first female swimmer to qualify in Tokyo Olympics. She will participate in 100-meter backstroke event. In table tennis, Manika Batra and Shutirtha Mukherjee will participate in women's events, while G. Sathian and Sharat Kamal will participate in men's events. In tennis, Sania Mirza and Ankita Raina will participate in women's doubles event. In weightlifting, Mirabai Chanu will be India's only representative in 49 kg category. Wrestling is always the strong point of India in Olympics. This time we have Ravi Kumar Dahiya, Bajrang Punia and Deepak Punia all are participating in men's freestyle category. In women's wrestling, Seema Bisla, Venus Fogart, Anshu Malik and Sonam Malik all are participating in freestyle category. Now let us talk about Indian medal hopes in Tokyo Olympics. In archery, we have the hopes on Deepika Kumari and our men's recurve team. In athletics, Neeraj Chopra and Kamalpreet Kaur can give us medals. We definitely hope that PV Sindhu can change his medal color from silver to gold this time. Boxing, Amit Fangal, Vikas Krishnan and Mary Kom can give us medal. In shooting, we have the highest hope to win medals. Women shooters like Ella Benil Baladivan, Manu Bhakir and Apurvi Chandila can give us gold. In men's shooting, we have high hopes on Divyang Singh Panwar, Saurabh Chaudhary and Sanjeev Rajput. In wrestling, we have high hopes on Bajrang Punia, Deepak Punia and Venus Fogart. Mirabai Chanu can give us gold in weightlifting category. We are also hoping for medals from Sharat Kamal and Monika Batra in table tennis. In Tokyo Olympics, we have high hope on Indian men's hockey team for a definite gold medal. Hope you all enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now let us cheer for India. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.